Hi friends, it's Emma. Today we're going to draw and color a pair of cute little feet. I think they will look super adorable. First, I'll trace the feet from the dotted lines. Draw carefully and try not to go outside the lines. Oh, it feels like these little feet want to dance already. All done. Now let's outline them like we always do. Aha! These tiny feet look so playful. Time to color. Red. Let's start with the big toe. It will be bright red, just like a shiny apple. Orange. The second toe will be orange, so warm and happy. Yellow. The middle toe will be sunny yellow, like the morning sun. Green. The fourth toe will be green, so fresh. Blue. And the little toe will be blue, like the summer sky. Now we have a rainbow on the left foot. Next is the foot itself. Take it slow and careful. I really enjoy this part. All done. Let's outline it a little more. Now for the right foot. Green. The big toe will be green, so refreshing. Yellow. The second toe is yellow, different from the left foot, right? Orange. The middle toe is orange, so sweet. Red. The fourth toe is red, so bright. Blue. And the little toe is blue. What about the foot? It's red. Wow! These 2 feet look so adorable and funny, like they're ready to run around. So cute! Do you like them? I sure do! Thank you so much and see you in the next video.